For this project, which is part 3 and the final video of my farmhouse themed housewarming gift, I do begin by wrapping the top of my vase halfway down. And at first I was only going to do the top, but then you'll see later on in the video that I do decide to go ahead and wrap the bottom halfway up like I did the top, leaving the middle just so that you can see the glass. For step 2, I just wanted a white stripe in the middle of my vase, so I went ahead and taped my vase off, grabbed an acrylic white paint, a foam brush, and then I just dabbed that paint in to my area, did 2 coats, and took my paint off. For the final step, I'm just going to add my flowers and greenery. Part of step 3 I did off camera, and all I did was put twine around the top and the bottom of that white stripe around the entire vase. watching today's video. I hope it leaves you inspired to create some home decor of your own. Be sure to watch part 1 and 2 of my farmhouse themed housewarming gift. I will leave the links in the description box below.